Good morning, students. Hope all of you are doing well. Today, I'm going to start the next part of the chapter 1 comparison of the numbers. So, today we will learn what is the rule for comparing numbers. So, let's see. So, see here, students. Here I have chosen two numbers. So, how can you say that which number is the greater number and which number is the smaller number? So when we compare two numbers, we know that the numbers with more digit is the greater number. But you see here number of digit, how many number of digit is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here, this is a 7 digit number. And let's see what is the second number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is also the 7 digit number. So if both the numbers have the same number of digits, then the number with the greater digit in the largest place value is the greater number. Okay, so when suppose one number is in 5 digit number, another one is the 6 digit number, that time we can say that the 6 digit number is a greater number. But here both the numbers are equal number of digits. So that's why we have to find out the greater digit in the largest place value. So means which digit in these two numbers, which digit is the greater digit in the largest place value is the greater number. So for this we have to write these two numbers in place value chart. So at first you write the number like this way: 3, 8, 7, 1, 1, 5, 0. So here you write down ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So this is, at first you write down the number in place value chart. So here I have written the number. First number is in place value chart. Same, we have to write the second number in this place value chart. So you start to write this way: 0, 0, 1, 8, 9 and 6. So now we have to find out in these two number the greater digit in the largest place value. So means in these two numbers you have to find out. See, in these two number, if you compare this number, you see this, the largest place value is 10 lakhs place. So this is the largest place value. So 10 lakhs place, in 10 lakhs place the first number digit is 3 and the second number's digit is in 6. So if you compare these two numbers, 3 and 6, 6 is greater than 3. So that's why we can say that, easily we can say that this number is the greater number. So we can say this is a greater number, or you can write down like this way: 6981003 is greater than 338 lakh 71,150. So 69 lakh 81,003 is greater than 38 lakh 71,150. So like this way you have to solve, and we have to find out we have to compare the numbers. Okay, so let's see the another example from your exercise. You see here the first problem, set 1c, put either of the three signs. You see here that less than, greater than and equal sign. So this sign is a less than sign, this is a greater than sign, and this is a equal sign to make a true statement. So you see the first question, 34,872, and the second number is 34,900. So if you consider that, okay, question number 1. So exercise question number 1, that first number is 34,872 and the second number is 34,900. So at first you write the numbers is in place value chart. So if you write the number is in place value chart, so you see here this is 10,000 place. So at first you write down 10,000, then 1,000, then 100 place, tens place, ones place. Okay, so you do like this. Okay, now you write down the number 27843. Now you write down the second numbers also 00943. Now you see this number. If you start to compare this number from the extreme right, so see here the ones place is here is 2 and here is 0. Okay, and you see that in extreme left in 10,000 place both the digit is equal, and also in 1,000 place both the digit is equal. But in 100 place you see here that in first number the digit is 8, but in second number the digit is 9. So in this largest place value, that the greater digit, which number have a greater digit in the largest place value chart, that number will be the greater number. So see here 9 is greater than 8, so that's why the second number is a greater number. So we can say that this number is a greater number. So we can use which sign, because you see here in questions here is mentioned that put either of the three signs, means which sign will we have to put here. So you see here 34,872. So means this number is less than this number, or you can say that 34,900 is greater than this number. So here we are using this sign. Okay, this sign here, because this number is the smaller number and this number is a greater number. Okay, so that's why we put this sign. But when, for next example, see, suppose I have taken if we consider this number 12113, and the another number is also 12113. So you see here these two numbers is equal, because this number is 12,113 and this number is also 12,113. So which sign we have to put here? Here actually we will put the equal sign, because both the, see here the first number and all as well as the second numbers both are same number of digit, and the digit in that respective place values is also the same. So you see here also in ones place the digit is 3, this number is also the digit is 3. So both the same number, that's why we are putting equal sign. Okay, so hope you can understand how to where we can push that greater sign and where we put the less than sign. So greater than, less than and equal, these two signs where we will put, that you hope you can understand. Okay, so let's see the question number 2. Which one is the greatest? Circle it. So you see here the question is given in word. So you see the first question number A, 8,000, 8 tens, 9. So at first for this question, so question number 2, that if you write the you write in numbers, so at first you write down the 8,000. So how to write the 8,000, 8 tens, 9. So 8,000, 8 tens, 9. So this is, because this is ones place, this is tens place, this is 100 place, and this is 1,000 place. Okay, so you see you have to write the number like this way. So that first is 8089. What is the second number? B 8800 8 tens. So if you write like this way, 1000 place, then 100 place, then tens place, and then ones place. So that question is asking about 8800. So 8808 tens. Okay, so this is the second number. Let's see the question numbers. The third number is 800 9 tens 9 ones. Okay, so you write this in numbers is in place value chart, 100 tens and ones place. Okay, so that 800 9 tens and 9 ones. Okay, so see here the three numbers. Now we know what is the three numbers: 8000 89 8089 8880 and 8099. Okay, so now how can you find out the which number is the greatest number? So see here, in 1000 places, in both the number, the 1000 places, that digit is same, 888. But you see in 100 places, the first number in 100 places is the digit is in 100 places in first number is 0. In second number the 100 place is 8, and the third also the digit is in 100 places 0. So we know that if the numbers have the same numbers of digit, because you see here all three numbers are the same numbers of digit, 4-digit number. These three numbers are 4-digit numbers. So in that cases, then the number with the greater digit in the largest place value is the greater number. So here you see here this digit, this greater digit, because 8 is greater than 0. So that's why the digit 8 is in largest place value. So 100 place is in the greater number, greater digit is in largest place value. So that's why this number is a greater number. So we can say that this number, so this number is a greatest. This is a greatest number. This number 8880. So B is the greatest number. Okay, let's see question number 3. Draw a circle around the greatest and underline the smallest number. So in these cases also you have to write this number is in place value chart. For example, so question number 3, for example, the first question is that 9212, and the second number is 9122. Number 3 is 9211, and number 4 is 9221. So if you write these 4 number is in place value chart, that will easily we can find out that the which number is the greatest and which one is the smallest. Okay, so you see here so you have to write down these numbers in place value chart. So that first you have to write down in place value chart, 1000 place, 100 place, 10s place and 1s place. So now you start to write down this number is in place value chart. The first one is 9212, the second one is 9122, number 3 is 9211, and number 4 is 9221. So see here, then in the largest place value is thousands place. Thousand place is the largest place value. So in thousands place, the all 4 numbers, the digit of all 4 numbers is same, 9999. But in in 100 place, you see here that only the three numbers, the largest in 100 place the digit is 2 and the 1 is 1. So easily we can say that, so this number is a smallest number, because we know that when we compare the numbers, same numbers of digit, then the number with the greater digit in the largest place value is the greater number, but the smallest digit in the largest place value is the smallest number. Okay, so this is a smallest number. So this is a smallest number. Now we have to find out which number is the greatest number. So see, this next place value is after 100, so this is tens place. So tens place, you see here that these two numbers in tens place is one digit is 1, the other one is 2. So we can easily say that this number is the greatest number. Okay, so we can find out the which one is the this number is the smallest number and this number is the greatest number. So like this way you have to solve the other three questions. Okay, so it will be easy if you write the number is in place value chart. That place value chart will help you to find out which number is the greatest number and which number is the smallest number. That's why in my last classes I told you that how much the place value help us to understand the numeration system. Okay, so let's see the question number 4. Write the following numbers in descending order. So at first we have to know that what is ascending order and what is descending order. So ascending order actually is when the numbers are arranged from the smallest to the largest number, the numbers are said to be in an ascending order. So in ascending order we have to arrange the numbers from the smallest, so smallest to the largest number. Okay, so in this case, in ascending order you have to arrange the numbers from smallest to the largest, but in descending order the opposite, you have to arrange the numbers from the largest to the smallest number. So here you have to arrange the number largest to the smallest number. So when the numbers are arranged from the smallest to the largest number, the numbers are said to be in an ascending order, and when the numbers are arranged from the largest to the smallest number, numbers are said to be in descending order. So for example, the question number 4, write the following numbers in descending order. So let's take the first questions. Question number 4a. So the first number is 4747, then 2674, then 8617 and 7147. So if you write this number is in place value chart, that will be easy to find out. You can easily arrange the number in descending order. Okay, so at first you write down the place value chart. So 1000 place, then 100 place, 10 and ones. Okay, because 4-digit number, so that's why I'm taking the 4 places in the place value chart. So you do like this. So first number is 4747. Second one is 2674. Number 3 is 8617, and number 4 is 7147. So here you see one thing. In descending order you have to arrange the number from the largest to the smallest number. Okay, so you see here which number is the largest one. So we know that the greater digit in the largest place value. Okay, so in greater digit. See here in thousand places, thousand place is the greatest place. So here the which number had a greater digit? So see here 8. So if you compare this 4 digit with 8, then 8 is greater than 4, 8 is also greater than 2, and 8 is also greater than 7. So this number is the greater number. Okay, so you mark it just like this one is the first number, is the which one is the greater one. Okay, next you find out the which number is the, when we compare these three numbers, remaining 3, so then we have to find out the which number is the second one. So you see here in second number that 7 is in greater than 2 and 7 is also greater than 4. So this number is the second number, second greater number. Okay, and now you have to find out the which number is the number 3. So see here 4 is greater than 2, so this number is the third large number, and this one, the left one, is the smallest number. Okay, so this is number 4. So if you arrange this number in descending order, so in descending order, so the first number which will come at first, 8617, then 7147, then 4747, and the last one is 2674. Okay, and then opposite things if you write them in ascending order. So if you write this question in ascending order, if this question is asking about to write down the following numbers in ascending order, so how can you write ascending order? In ascending order, if you write this number, so that 2674 will come at first, because in ascending order we will arrange the numbers from the smallest to the largest number. Okay, so that smallest number is 2674, then 4747, then 7147, and then the last one is 8617. Okay, so like this way you have to solve this question in descending order and ascending order. So hope you can understand how to compare these two numbers and how can you find out the which number is the greatest number and which number is the smallest number. And if few numbers are given, how can you find how can we arrange the number in ascending order, how can we arrange the number in descending order. So hope you can understand, student. So I want all of you please solve this exercise problem set 1C. You do it. If you get any problem, then feel free to ask me in live class. Okay, and few question I am providing you. So few question I am providing you in Google form. All please you do it, and because I will keep the record which student is submitting and which are not. Okay, because I will give the marks for on the basis of your response in your Google form. So all please be alert and response in your Google form, whichever question I am giving you. So please solve it and you submit it. Okay, that is very much important. And all these exercise questions, please students, you do in your classwork copy which is providing from the school. All you please do in your classwork copy. In study material, that information is given, some information are like this as a important points, so that's why in study material you only just keep it with you and you read from there and also follow the books. But some few examples if is given in your study materials, that you practice in your copy. Okay, and an exercise question answer you do in your classwork copy. Okay, because anytime if I ask you, you are doing or not. Okay, so hope you can understand. Thank you students. Bye, take care, have a good day.